question I get asked so often is, can I really plan and manage my own home remodel or renovation? Hi, everyone. I'm Bobby with Net Gain Real Estate, and I've been involved in real estate renovations, remodels, and builds for over 30 years. Today, I'm excited to share some insight on how you can confidently and comfortably manage your own home renovation or remodel. Now, I know it might seem a bit daunting at first, but trust me, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. By taking the reins on your project, not only will you have more control over the design and quality, but you can also save a significant amount of money, up to 20 to 30% of the project cost. That can be as much as $50,000. That's thousands of dollars that stay in your pocket. So stick around as we dive into how you can make this happen and turn your dream home into a reality. Why you can do it and overcoming initial concerns. I get it. Taking on a home renovation can feel overwhelming, especially if you don't have much experience. Think about it. Remember when you first learned to read or drive a car? You didn't know how to do those things at first, but now they're second nature. The same principle applies here. With the right guidance and a bit of patience, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Believe it or not, you already manage complex tasks every day that are more than what's involved in a home remodel or renovation. Whether it's budgeting for groceries, planning a family vacation, organizing an event, you have the skills to plan and execute detailed projects. These everyday experiences are directly transferable to managing a home renovation. So take a deep breath and trust in your abilities. You're more capable than you ever think. Setting clear goals. The first step in planning your renovation or remodel is to set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with this project? Is it more space, improved functionality, a modern update? Make a detailed list of your priorities and must-haves. This will serve as your roadmap and keep you focused throughout the process. We believe this is the most critical step. And when we work with our clients, we make sure to nail down all these details and expectations. Next, let's talk about budgeting. It's crucial to set a realistic budget and stick to it. Start by researching the cost of materials and labor, and then create a detailed budget plan. Don't forget to add a buffer. Unexpected expenses can and do pop up. A good rule of thumb is to allocate an extra 10 to 15% for these surprises. By planning wisely, you'll avoid financial stress and keep your project on track. And one of the first things we do when we work with a new client is we take their project and run it through this proprietary software and come up with an estimate of what the budget costs are likely to be for their area. It's amazingly helpful, and our clients just love it. Now, next, managing a renovation project might seem intimidating, but breaking it down into manageable steps can make all the difference. Start with a structured plan from beginning to end, outlining each phase of the project. This is where I come in. I help homeowners like you every day with step-by-step guidance, ensuring you stay on track and feel confident throughout the project. One of the key aspects of managing your projects is hiring reliable subcontractors. Do your research, ask for recommendations, and check references. When negotiating prices, aim for fair deals that fit within your budget. And clear communication is crucial. Make sure everyone understands the project scope and timeline. Regular check-ins will help keep everything running smoothly and ensure high-quality work is being done. With these strategies, you'll be well equipped to manage your renovation like a pro. We can help you get quality contractors that deliver gorgeous results on time. If you'd like support as you navigate a home remodel or renovation project, please check the links below. We can help you get your dream home and love the results. All right, next up, common pitfalls and how to avoid them. One of the worst is time management. Staying on schedule can be challenging, but it's essential to keep your project on track. Create a detailed timeline and set milestones for each phase of the project. This will help you monitor progress and make adjustments as needed. Remember, it's better to plan for some delays rather than to be caught off guard. Another critical aspect is maintaining quality control. Regularly check the work being done to ensure it meets your standards. Daily, even twice daily check-ins are perfectly reasonable. It not only helps you not miss any issues, you also can make sure your crew is there and working the full day. Don't hesitate to speak up if something doesn't look right. It's your home after all. Make a habit of inspecting the progress at key stages and addressing any issues immediately. By staying vigilant, you'll ensure that the final result is something you're truly proud of. Some of the benefits of being your own general contractor are the following. One of the biggest is cost savings, significant cost savings. By managing the project yourself, you can save 20 to 30% of the total cost. That's thousands, tens of thousands of dollars that you can put towards other improvements or even invest back into the home or take a vacation. I've seen countless homeowners successfully navigate their renovation and save a substantial amount. It's definitely achievable. Beyond the financial benefits, there's a tremendous sense of personal satisfaction that comes from completing a project yourself. You'll have increased control over design choices and quality, ensuring the final result is exactly what you envisioned. Plus, there's nothing quite like the pride you'll feel when you walk around and look at your beautifully renovated home. You know that you made it happen. You did. It's an incredibly rewarding experience that not only adds value to your home, but also to your life. I hope this video has inspired you to take charge of your home renovation or remodel project. And if you're ready to dive in and be your own general contractor, check the information below for more details on how we can help you every step of the way. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips, guidance, and inspiration on home renovations, rehabs, and builds. We're here to support you in making your dream home a reality. So take the first step with confidence, and let's make your renovation journey a successful one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.